Congratulations! You purchased QuickBooks Point of Sale. If you haven't reviewed Intuit's system requirements for successful configuration, please click on the link below. Alright, now let's get started with downloading your Point of Sale software. You want to click on my link below for the product download page. Keep in mind, if you don't know your license and product number, you will need to click into My Account to locate your information. From this Downloads and Update page, select United States as your country, select QuickBooks Point of Sale as your product, select your software's edition and version, then select Search. Confirm your QuickBooks Point of Sale version and edition that they are correct, then select Download. Repeat this for each computer that will run QuickBooks Point of Sale. After you've downloaded and saved the QuickBooks Point of Sale, your next step is to install the QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale on your computer. This is where you will need your license and product number. The next step is to install your QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale. When Point of Sale finishes downloading, we need to take these next steps. Open the QuickBooks installation file on your desktop. If you get a prompt to overwrite the existing extracted files, select Yes to all. Select Next on the wizard to start the installation. Read the license agreement. If you agree, select I accept the terms in this license agreement. Then select Next. Enter your license and product number, then select Next. Next, you need to choose the type of installation. If it's only going to be on one computer, choose this option for a single user. If it's going to be installed on 2 or more computers, you want to use this option for multiple users. If you choose to install on 2 or more computers, you need to select the type of workstation that computer will be. If you want the workstation that will create and hold your company data, you will want to choose the server workstation. If the workstation is usually just the cash register that's used to help customers, then you would want to choose the client workstation. Select Install to begin the installation. I'm going to put up on the screen the file path of the software. It can only be installed in that particular file path. After the installation has completed, the next step is to activate your QuickBooks Point of Sale. You may need to restart your computer and reopen QuickBooks to get started. If you run into any problems with your installation, there is an article on how to resolve your QuickBooks Point of Sale installation errors. All right, once we're done with that, we have the final step to register and activate your software. The final step will be to activate, register your QuickBooks Point of Sale. You will have to register your QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale when you open or create your company files. You'll need to register every time you install QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale on any computer. That means if you have multiple copies of QuickBooks Point of Sale, you must register each copy, and that if you install QuickBooks Point of Sale on a new computer, you need to register again. If you are connected to the internet, an online registration form will display. Enter your business phone number and your zip code. If QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale asks for a validation code, you're probably not connected to the internet. The phone registration window is displayed. Follow the instructions on the Register QuickBooks dialog box. When prompted to verify your information, you should make sure to provide the same information that you gave at the time of purchase. If it doesn't match perfectly, it won't be accepted. If you have a technical issue like a blank screen or an error message, Try temporarily disabling your antivirus software, as it may be interfering with the registration process. And that's all there is to activating your software. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.